Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the local channels on your Xumo Box in 2026. So if you are looking for the channels like the local news, ABC, CBS, Fox or NBC, this quick guide is going to help you locate them very easily. So first of all, you need to grab your Xumo remote. So as you can see, this is the Xumo remote I have. So on your Xumo remote, you just have to simply press the guide button or go to the live TV from the home screen. So this is going to open the full channel lineup available on your Xumo box. So once you are inside the guide, simply scroll through the channels list. Local channels are usually grouped near the top of the lineup or under a category labeled as local, broadcast or network TV. So here, once you are inside, you just have to look for the channels like ABC, NBC or Fox. And when you are able to find them, you just have to look for the option of filters or channel categories. Then when you select the local channels, you will see that option. So this will make the things much easier. Now, if you don't see the local channels on the device in your location correctly, simply open the settings of your device first. After that, go to the device preferences section. Then look for the option of location. Just make sure that the location services are available in your city or in your country. The local channels availability basically depends on your region. So if the channels are missing or not loading properly, you can just simply restart your Xumo box. This also refreshes the channel guide and often fixes the lineup glitches. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.